Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone not ringing issue that you may be coming across. So the first step that I would recommend, and this is by far the most obvious, and I know that many people fall for this including myself, and that is just to ensure that you haven't accidentally put the silent mode on. So if this little toggle switch is switched down and you can see a little orange slit, that means that the phone is currently on the silent mode, and no matter how much you turn up the phone, you still will not receive any phone calls or notifications or pretty much any sound whatsoever. So pretty much you just want to go ahead and flick that up, and that will go ahead and put it onto the loud mode, so you should now be able to receive phone calls. So another really awesome fix that you can try is to actually go ahead and adjust the ringer volume in the settings, and this is actually an individual setting which is different from the volume buttons. So even if your volume is on the maximum like mine is now, the volume for the ringer actually might be muted or on the lowest it can possibly be. So to fix this, you just want to go into settings, and then you want to scroll down to sounds and haptics. And as you can see right here guys, the ringer and alerts volume is all the way down at the bottom, and this will cause me not to receive any phone call notifications or any sound whatsoever for messages as well. So if I want to go ahead and change this, all I have to do is just simply slide this up. And if I also want to have the ability to change the volume for the ringer, I can also go ahead and change with buttons. So whenever I go ahead and adjust the buttons on my iPhone, this will also adjust the ringer volume as well. So another really awesome fix you can try is to actually go ahead and ensure that you do not have Do Not Disturb turned on. So if you have a really small crescent shaped moon at the top of your iPhone, then this indicates that you actually do have Do Not Disturb turned on. So depending on your settings, this will mean that you will not receive any notifications, phone calls or messages during a certain time of the day. So you can easily turn this off by sliding up from the bottom of your phone. And as you can see, we have the crescent moon here. So it's currently turned off. However, if I go and turn it on, this will be indicated with a purple icon. So I just want to go ahead and turn this off as well. Okay, so the very last thing you can try is to actually go ahead and hard restart your iPhone device. So much like when you restart your computer, this should hopefully remove any temporary glitches or issues that your iPhone may be having. So if you have the iPhone 6 or later, you can simply restart by pressing onto the home button and the lock screen button together for around 30 seconds or until the device restarts. And if you have the iPhone 7, you can restart your device by pressing the volume down and the lock screen button together for around 30 seconds or until the device restarts as well. And if you have the iPhone 8 or above, you can do a hard restart by pressing the volume up, down, and then the power button in quick succession for around the same amount of time until the device restarts as well. So there you have it guys. There's a few simple tips and tricks that you can try on how to get the sound back on your ringer when receiving and making calls. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please share your ideas down below. And also if you have come up with your own fix or solution, please also share that down in the comment section, as you'll be helping many other iPhone users out there as well. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.